There's a lot of discussion about quiet quitting. Well, quiet quitting as a concept is not very new. We used to just call it engagement or disengagement. It's when people just disengage from their jobs. The thing that I think is funny about quiet quitting is a term that management uses to describe that their people, their staffs are disengaging from their work. They're quiet quitting. However, when management talks about how they're disengaging, they talk about finding work-life balance. So I think, if we're less judgy about it, it's about everybody struggling to find that balance between their personal lives, who they want to be, what they want to do, and their work. And it's hard. And I would prefer that instead of people disengaging, they have difficult conversations. Say, hey, I'm really struggling to find the balance of work, and I don't want to just disengage. I don't want to be one of the quiet quitters. I want to find out how I can do this and feel good about myself, and you can still feel good about me.